in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerset County, southeastern Morris County, northern Middlesex County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Somerville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, Saraville, North Brunswick, Carteret, Madison, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Chatham, Peapack and Gladstone, Far Hills, Millstone, Society Hill and North Brunswick Township. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.
Coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Severe thunderstorm watch 395 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For tonight, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots, diminishing